Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining dealing with non-unit fraction. So how do we deal with non-unit fraction? So basically in dealing with non-unit fraction, you have to work with the indices that are not unit fraction. For example, if we have x to the power of 2 over 3. First we will move 2 on the outside, so we will write x to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 2. So this is what we will do, because in this we have made a x to the power of 1 over 3. In the previous video I have explained what is index notation and what is root sign. So now this is the index notation again over here. So this will be the index notation. So this is the index notation, and for this the root sign will be cube root of x. So this will be the root, so this will be root sign. This is the root sign and this is the index notation, and outside we have written the power of 2, so because we have moved 2 outside. Another example over here we have is over here. For example, if we have 27 to the power of 2 over 3, if we have 27 to the power of 2 over 3, so first we will move 2 outside and keep the 3 inside. So what will happen over here is cube root of 27 and square. We have cramped a lot over here, so this will be, right now I will write it again, cube root of 27 and square. So first we will do this, which is cube root of 27 is 3, then 3 square, which will be 9. So the answer will be 9. This is how we will deal with non-unit fraction. Next example, if we have over here 25 to the power of 1.5. First we will make this as fraction, so this will be 25 to the power of 3 over 2. Then we will move 3 outside, like over here. We will move 3 outside like over here into, so we will write 25 to the power of 1 over 2, brackets closed, to the power of 3. Now we have like this, which is index notation with the power outside. Then we will first solve this. We will convert this into root sign, so this will be square root of 25, like this, cube. So the square root of 25 is 5, then cube root, which will be 125. So the answer will be 125 when we have to calculate a value, final answer or final value, that will be 125. So this is how we will deal with non-unit fraction. So if you like this video, understood this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends, so that they can also get help in what they are having difficulty. Thank you. See you in the next video.